Good morning and welcome to Chooks TV. My mental toughness word for you today is courage, specifically the courage to be wrong. If you don't have the courage to be wrong, you cannot innovate. And two, you cannot be a good leader because innovation requires experimentation and adventure. You don't know what you can find out. Okay, if you're starting out something and you have that attitude, let's see what we can find out. Then you can make some discoveries and you can have some failures, but sometimes you also succeed. So if you don't have the courage to be wrong, you will never venture and you will not innovate. And then on leadership, if you don't have the courage to be wrong, you will not make that tough call. You will not take that hard decision. You will not be able to stand alone. Leadership is not a popularity contest. If you're going to lead, many times you might have to stand alone. You might have to be the person who only has that vision of a better tomorrow. But if you have that courage to be wrong, then you can begin to inspire people to follow you on that journey. Do have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.